Welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today is my 6th recipe in Trinidad Sunday lunch series. Today I'll be making a fresh salad like we make in Trinidad. If you want to see how I do this, keep watching. This recipe I'll be using romaine lettuce today because I didn't get my watercress. Usually we use that. Cabbage, peppers, carrot, cucumber, tomatoes, and I'm going to combine all. I'm going to chop it up really fine, and I'll speed through that and show you how quick it is done. I'm going to be using my fancy chopper here, like this. See, it makes a really nice pattern. See the edges here? It looks really pretty in the salad. I'm going to cut these in really julienne pieces, very thin. I will be grating the carrot because I want it really fine in there. For the dressing for the salad, I'm going to be using vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you want, but I like the taste of the vegetable oil in it. So I'm going to do that, and some vinegar, like 1 teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to mix all of them together. So it's salt, vinegar, oil. Mix it up like this, and then we're going to throw it over it, and then I'm going to toss all of it together. So easy, all done. That's it. See how easy this recipe was? Hope you get a chance to try it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.